Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we'll be diving into a topic that is on everyone's mind, artificial intelligence and what it means for the next generation. Is AI here to replace us, or is it a tool that will elevate humanity to new heights? Let's unpack this together. The rise of AI has been nothing short of spectacular. We see it everywhere, from our smartphones to our hospitals. It's making things faster, more efficient, and in many cases, more accurate than ever before. We can achieve things today that seemed like pure science fiction just a decade ago. But with this incredible progress comes a very real question. What about our jobs? Are we creating a technology that will eventually make us obsolete? It's a valid concern and one that deserves a closer look. The popular narrative often pits humans against AI in a kind of showdown for supremacy. But what if that's the wrong way to look at it? Instead of replacement, let's think about partnership. The true power of AI isn't in its ability to mimic human intelligence, but to augment it. Imagine all the repetitive, tedious, and time-consuming tasks that bog us down every day. AI is perfectly suited to handle those. This doesn't leave us jobless, it frees us up. It allows us to focus our uniquely human skills on what we do best. Being creative, thinking strategically, solving complex problems, and connecting with each other on an emotional level. When we work alongside AI, we're not just getting more done. We're able to do better, more meaningful work. So, what does this world look like for the kids growing up today, the generation that will inherit this AI-integrated reality? The opportunities are immense. Think about education. AI can create personalized learning paths for every single student, making education more engaging and effective than ever before. It can cater to individual strengths and weaknesses, ensuring no one gets left behind. In healthcare, AI is already helping doctors diagnose diseases earlier and more accurately. It's accelerating the development of new treatments and making healthcare more accessible to people around the world. In the workplace, AI will handle the routine stuff, allowing the future workforce to focus on innovation and pushing the boundaries of what's possible. But let's be realistic. It's not all sunshine and roses. There are significant challenges we need to confront head-on. The most obvious one is job displacement. Yes, some jobs will become obsolete. That's a tough reality, but it's also a historical constant with any major technological shift. The key isn't to fight the change, but to adapt to it. We'll need to learn new skills and perhaps even redefine what we consider work. Then there's the issue of bias and ethics. An AI is only as good as the data it's trained on. If that data contains human biases, the AI will amplify them. This can lead to unfair or discriminatory outcomes in everything from hiring to loan applications. We have to be incredibly careful and deliberate in building AI systems that are fair, transparent, and accountable. And finally, there's the risk of over-reliance. As technology does more for us, will we forget how to do things for ourselves? We need to ensure that the future generation balances their use of AI with the development of timeless human skills like critical thinking, creativity, and empathy. These are the skills that technology can't replicate. So where do we go from here? This isn't something we can just sit back and watch unfold. We need a proactive, collaborative approach. Governments need to invest in education and retraining programs that equip people for the jobs of the future, jobs that work with AI, not against it. We need to focus on teaching skills that complement technology. Educators and industry leaders need to foster a culture of lifelong learning and innovation. We must encourage curiosity, creativity, and entrepreneurship, empowering the next generation to not just use AI, but to shape its development. And critically, we must establish clear ethical guidelines and regulations to ensure AI serves humanity's best interests. The future of AI and the future of our children are deeply intertwined. It's a complex picture, filled with both daunting challenges and incredible opportunities. The dystopian vision of robots taking over is a compelling story, but it's not our destiny. Our destiny is what we choose to build. By working together, by embracing a spirit of partnership between human and machine, we can steer this technology toward a future that enhances our capabilities, enriches our lives, and creates a brighter, more prosperous world for everyone. The goal isn't to predict the future, it's to create it. Thanks so much for watching. What are your thoughts on AI and the next generation? Let me know down in the comments. And if you found this video valuable, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. See you in the next one.